Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add dash border to photo in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then you want to add dash border to photo. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and select the picture option. Then click this device. Then choose picture from our file. Then insert it. Now I am select the image and resize it. Then go to the picture format menu and click the format picture option. Then select the picture fill and click the line option. Then choose solid line and click the color option. Then now I am select the orange color and increase the wide. Then click the dash type drop down menu and choose the dash border. Then close the panel. Now we can see we add dash border to picture very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.